Sit or lie down comfortable and allow your body to be supported. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and exhale softly. Again, inhale and exhale. And again, slowly, inhale and exhale. With every breath out, your body knows it can slow down. And as your body slows down, your mind can rest. Bring your attention to your eyelids. With every exhale, they become relaxed, softer. Allow this relaxation to move into your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw. Breathing in and out. Let the relaxation move into your neck, your shoulders, dropping them down, releasing effort. Breathing in and out. Your chest softens, your breath becomes easier. Let this feeling move down through your body, your hips, relaxing your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet. Your whole body is now supported and safe enough to go deeper. Now gently, without searching, without forcing, allow your mind to drift back to a moment in your life when you felt the most discouraged. You don't need to see it clearly. It may come as a picture, a feeling, or a memory in the body. Let your subconscious choose. Notice where you are. Notice how your body feels. And remember, you are not there again. You are observing from safety. Now simply look at this moment. Not to change it, not to fix it, not to judge it. Just observe with kindness and notice something important. You are not this moment. You are the one who is watching it. That discouragement you felt was an experience, not your identity. It was a program your body learned, not who you are. Now gently notice what the body felt back then. The heaviness in the chest, the tired shoulders, the sinking feeling. And hear this clearly. This was not your body failing. This was your body trying to protect you. It learned trying hurts. This is too much. So it chose discouragement instead of pain. Now notice the thoughts that appeared. Words like, "It's pointless. I can't do this. Why even try?" And remember, these thoughts were not you. They were messages from a younger part of you that felt overwhelmed. Now imagine you as you are now, gently stepping closer to that younger part. You don't rush, you don't correct, you don't motivate, you simply stay. And softly inside say, I see how tired you were. I see how much you tried. It makes sense that you wanted to stop. You don't have to carry this alone anymore. I'm here now. Notice how your body responds. Maybe a deeper breath, maybe a small softening. That is enough. Now allow the emotion, the thoughts, the old words you heard to move through your body without resistance. You are not reliving them, you are updating them. This time, the body is not alone. With every exhale, you let a little more go. Now gently introduce new words. Let them land in your body. I don't need to succeed perfectly to keep moving. I am allowed to try again. Failure is feedback, not a verdict. I can act even when I feel unsure. My confidence grows from action, not from waiting. Let these words settle into your chest, your shoulders, your nervous system. Notice your body now. Maybe it feels lighter, maybe more open. Your body is learning something new. Trying does not equal pain anymore. You don't have to take life so seriously. You can experiment. You can move forward one small step at a time. Now begin to bring your awareness back. Take a deeper breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body in the room. Move your fingers, your shoulders, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You're present, grounded, and a little more willing to try again.